Hi, my name's Elizabeth and I'm from Redondo Beach, California, and I need a short haircut. I've currently been training to become a firefighter. I love my community, I love the outdoors. I'm always traveling the coast, being with animals, and I do love to be of service to people. I've recently just accepted a job in Santa Barbara, and it's going to be in wildland service. That means burning land, that means cutting trees, really preparing for brush fire. This training that I'm doing, it'll be away from the city, and there isn't always running water. There's also a lot of hard water, and it's not really good for your hair either. So I'm looking to be a little bit more minimal with my hair. I do like my long hair. I do like it a lot, but it does take a lot of care to have long hair, so cutting it short will give me the opportunity to live a little bit more of a wild lifestyle. The females that are there, they do tend to have shorter haircuts, but it's really just to be able to function in your profession. And I am always tying my hair back anyways to keep it out of my face and make sure that I can just keep going. I'm super excited to see what Chris Appleton does with my hair.
I can't believe she's
so much great hair.
Yeah, she had great
Rachel,
hair.
you are not going to believe what we did to Elizabeth's hair and the transformation that she's just gone on. We had so much fun. I'm going to show you a little bit of Elizabeth now, and I'll bring the rest of her in a minute. But we'll just start off here. Here's a little bit of Elizabeth. That's the old Elizabeth. Oh my God, you're gonna look so cute. You're supposed to have short hair.
You think so?
Yeah, I think it comes alive.
All right, I am very excited.
Okay, guys, you ready to see the new Elizabeth? Here's a little bit. Let's go and see the rest of her. Elizabeth, come on in.
Minus the long hair. Come on in,
Minus, here
Elizabeth.
she comes. Ta-da!
Oh my God!
So as you can see, she went for a super short, kind of very fitted. We tried to work with a style that was really just flattering to her. She wanted something easy and versatile. That's why we cut the hair in shorter, definitely around the hairline, so she didn't have to mess around and play too much with, styling her hair. But, Elizabeth did want to have a little bit of a longer length on the front, which is, why we left a little bit of a longer bang. And remember, we were talking earlier a bit about suitability and just making sure it suits the face shape. And that's why she wanted to keep that slightly longer feeling towards the front. But Elizabeth,
it looks so sexy and cool. I love the bangle, like the bang on an angle thing going on. It's so sassy. But what is
thank
it
you.
like?
I'm so excited about it. He did a great job. I can't tell you what it's like to have your hair just chopped off. It feels great, but also to have it come out the way you had imagined it too. Oh, I'm so excited to start this new chapter in my life.